are given in polar coordinates, and we're just going to plot the points. The question is, how big of a graph do I need? Maybe not that big. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make concentric circles. And this circle that I first start off is the circle of radius 1. And all points on this circle have radius 1. And that would apply to D. D has radius 1. So for polar coordinates, we're looking at the first coordinates r and the second coordinates theta. So I just drew a circle with radius 1, and that would, D is going to fit into that. That's what we're going to use for that point D. Let's try out this color. This guy has, maybe I didn't even write it down. That's r equals 2 there. The first one at r is 1. And am I going to go up to 3? Yes, it looks like it. Let me pick I want to pick a nice color, orange. Looks like I'm getting into fall colors here. In that circle, all of the points have radius 3. Okay, now when I look at A is 2 pi over 4. So in this problem here, r is equal to 2 and theta is equal to pi over 4. So I need to figure out where pi over 4 is, which is, that's 45 degrees. And so I'm looking at radius 2. And I don't know what else I'm going to do. I mean, pi over 4 is right here. But why am I putting it exactly right there is because I'm putting it on the circle with radius 2. Let me fill that in. Okay, so that one is A. Next for B, I have 1 2/3 pi. So r is 1, theta is 2/3 pi, which you could think of as, okay, pi over 3 is 60 degrees. 2 times that would make 120 degrees. I don't usually like to think in terms of degrees, but let's see. So pi over 2 is up here. Pi is, so just maybe we can label that. 1/3 of pi is somewhere up here where I just drew it, and 2/3 pi, where I just drew it somewhere. Okay, r is 1. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm definitely going to put it on that gray circle. I think it's sort of, that looks about right, the way I have it fitting up on the top there. And that's B. A little bit eyeballing that, but still. For C, I have 3 7/6 pi. So this is saying that r is equal to 3, so it'll be on that orange circle. And theta is equal to 7/6 pi. Okay, now, how do we fit in 7/6 pi? Well, pi is 6/6 pi, so I just add another 6, pi over 6, to get to 7/6. And it's going to be on the orange circle. And I would like to get this just looking about right. Maybe it's going to be, okay, so what's going on then is that our reference angle, let me do a lighter color. That reference angle there is pi over 6, or 30 degrees. The reference angle is pi over 6. So I do 6/6 plus pi over 6 makes 7/6. And that is the point that I want. Oops. That is, let me put a circle there. That is the point C. Okay, let's move on. Oh, last one, D. Okay, put a little space here. D is 1 negative pi over 4. So r is equal to 1. Theta is negative pi over 4, which is negative 45 degrees. So let me put it again, a straight line at negative 45 degrees. So see, the reference angle here is 45 degrees, or negative pi over 4. So this reference angle is pi over 4, and so we're going down, so we get negative pi over 4 down here. So that leads us to finally to D. No, that's not D. Let's cut that. D is over here with radius 1. That's D. Okay, so you have to erase that somehow without making a mess. Okay. Well, any comments or suggestions on this? This is negative pi over 4 down here. Anything to say about that?